Hey guys, this is LJ. Welcome back to Chemistry Connection. Today we're going to be making some Halloween melt and pour soap. So since we're going to have two different layers, I've cut two containers of 6 ounces of soap each. I did half and half, so it's 3 ounces of organic oil, 3 ounces of extra hard white in each of these containers, because the Halloween soap mold will contain 12 ounces of soap. We're going to be using our Magic Orange Mica, our new Burnt Orange jojoba beads, and our Black Licorice jojoba beads. We will also be using our Pumpkin Spice Fragrance Oil. It's amazing. Today I'll be using our Halloween silicone soap mold from MakeYourOwn.us. You will also need some spoons, a thermometer, and some pipettes. I've also got a spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol. So before filming, I went ahead and melted my melt and pour soap in the microwave for 30-second intervals until it was completely melted. Then I'm going to take 1/8 teaspoon of my Magic Orange Mica and mix it in well to one of the containers of melt and pour soap. And then I'm going to take the Pumpkin Spice Fragrance Oil, and I did 2.5 milliliters into the orange melt and pour mixture. And I'm going to take that mixture and pour it into my Halloween soap mold. I want to fill each cavity about halfway. Next, I'm going to mix in 1/8 teaspoon of black jojoba beads and 1/4 teaspoon of our new orange jojoba beads into my other mixture of melt and pour soap. When you're mixing jojoba beads into your melt and pour soap, you want to make sure that the mixture is less than 120 degrees whenever you pour it, so that the jojoba beads are suspended throughout the layer rather than staying on the top. And you may have noticed that I did forget to put the pumpkin spice fragrance oil in this layer, but that's okay, it's already in the other layer. Just make sure that you don't forget to put fragrance in both layers. And then you're going to take the isopropyl alcohol and spray it on top to get rid of any of the bubbles. So you're going to wait for your melt and pour soap to completely cool off and harden, and then you will carefully take it out of the molds. The silicone molds are super easy to get the melt and pour soap out of. They just pop out, and that is your Halloween pumpkin spice melt and pour soaps with these amazing suspended jojoba beads. If you do try this out, make sure to tag us on Facebook and Instagram so we can see your work. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy DIY bath and body tutorials.